In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a playlist to Spotify. We will start on mobile, then show the same thing on a computer so you can follow along on any device. On your Android phone or iPhone, open Spotify. When the app loads, you should see the Home tab with suggestions like Recently Played and Made for You. If Spotify opens on a different tab, that is fine. You can still follow along from there. Make sure you are signed into the account where you want the playlist saved, since your library is tied to that account across all devices. Once Spotify is open, find the playlist you want to add. You can scroll through the Home tab or switch to Search at the bottom and type the playlist name. As you type, Spotify suggests matches under the search bar. You can also find playlists from an artist page or from charts. A quick tip here, many popular playlists have the green Spotify logo under the title, which helps you spot the official versions. After you see the playlist in the list, open the playlist, tap its name or cover art once. The playlist page fills the screen, showing the title at the top, the cover image, and the list of songs below. You should also see a big green play button, and somewhere near the top or just under the artwork, an option to add or save the playlist. If the playlist is long, do not worry. You do not need to scroll all the way through it to save it. Now tap the plus button or the add or save option. On many phones, this plus icon sits near the top of the playlist page, next to the download and share icons. When you tap it, the icon usually changes appearance, often turning into a checkmark or showing saved. That visual change is your confirmation that Spotify has added this playlist to your account library. You do not need to tap anything else. The change is stored right away. The playlist will now appear in your library. To confirm, go back and tap your library at the bottom of the screen. At the top, you might see filters like playlists, artists, and albums. Choose playlists and look through the list. The playlist you just saved should now appear there, usually near the top if it is one of the most recent you added. From here, you can open it anytime without searching again. On a computer, whether you are on Windows, Mac, or the web player, open Spotify. You should see the sidebar on the left with Home, Search, and your library, and the main area showing music recommendations or whatever you last viewed. Check the top right to be sure you are on the right account. Next, find the playlist you want. You can use the search option in the left sidebar and type the playlist name, or click into any section that shows playlists until you see the one you want. When you spot it in the results or on a page, you are ready to save it. Open the playlist, click its name or cover image once. The playlist view opens in the main area, with the title at the top, followed by the cover art, description, and the list of tracks. You should see a big play button and other icons nearby. Take a moment to confirm you opened the correct playlist by checking the title and maybe the first couple of songs. Now click the plus button or the add or save button. On desktop, this button usually sits near the playlist title or the main controls. Once you click it, the button changes, often showing a check mark or saved. That change tells you Spotify has linked this playlist to your library. You do not have to save anything manually. It is already attached to your account. The playlist will be saved to your library. To see it, look at the left sidebar and click your library. Then choose the playlist section if needed. You should now see the playlist listed alongside your other saved playlists, ready to open with a single click. You just learned how to add any playlist to your library on both mobile and desktop, so it is always just one tap or click away. If this helped you keep your favorite playlists handy, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you would like more simple Spotify tips.